Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video we are going to discuss about the best email opt-in plugin WordPress Bloom plugin review. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial plugin reviews and how to build an online brand, so please consider subscribing. So here it is, subscribe. And also, before I begin, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So as per the best email opt-in plugin for me, it's Bloom. So Bloom is by Elegant Themes, and currently it's not a free plugin, it's a paid one, and it's around $89 per year, but I have a 20% discount, so you can go and check it out. And it's really easy. Once you purchase it, all you have to do is click on plugins and add new. Just go on plugins and go on add new, and then you could upload the plugin. So I can just click on upload, and here it is. So and install now. So for me, this is the best opt-in plugin. You can use any other plugin as well. There are a lot of free ones in the WordPress repository, but then for me this one is really good. So I'm going to show you in a second. So once it's activated, so now I just have to click over here. So as you could see, if I just go on Bloom, so they really have beautiful opt-ins. As you could see, they look really cool, and especially on your website, you don't even have to, it's very simple to set up. So all you have to do is click on Bloom, and then opt-in forms, click on new opt-in. If you want a pop-up, I'm going to click on pop-up and just remove my face from here, just make it small. And then just all you have to do is you need to select an email account, an email marketing tool. So for me it's Aweber. If you go on Aweber, so this is my account. So it's an email marketing solution. So basically this website helps you send emails, and the reason why we use email marketing is once someone subscribes to your email opt-in, and then you could regularly send them emails. So that's the reason. So I'm using Aweber. It's an email marketing solution. Again, I think so I have a free trial for this. So if you click down the link below, you'll get a free trial. So go and check it out. So I just have to include my account and then just click on next design. So I need to choose my account, so it's Aweber, and then I need to add the account, and it's going to tell me the authorization code and everything, which I'm not going to do right now. I'm just going to explain you. Then all you have to do is click on next design, and as you could see, these are a lot of templates. So I can just, for demo purposes, I can just select this one, click on next, customize. You can change the buttons, you can change everything, and this looks really cool. Like, it's mobile responsive as well. And then that's it, guys. And then it has some criterias. Where do you want it to show? So that's on the display settings. So I wanted to show trigger after delay 1 second, and then trigger at the bottom of the post. I would say trigger after scrolling. Just for demo purposes, you could do whatever you want after 1%, and then it should show on post, and you can select the post as well, save and exit. So I need to add an account, so I'll just do that right now. So just give me a second. So what I did was just click on get authorization code, and then I logged into my Aweber, copy this thing, paste it over here, authorize, and then next design your opt-in. No, just save and exit because I've already designed it. So I need to add again. Okay, so just Emma Beauty, save and exit. Just go on my website. So this is the website, and see, look, it looks really awesome. Okay, and it's mobile responsive as well. So this is the best email opt-in plugin for me. And that's it for the video. If you have any questions, do let me know in comments. And the bonus I told you, so guys, I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. The link is down below. That course is on my website, yavarkhan.com. It's on the free training. This is the course. It's a really good course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch, the best settings, the best themes, the best SEO, the best hosting. Everything's included. It's a compact and all information included in it. So that's it. And if you are looking for an hosting as well, I think so Bluehost is one of the best web hosting for WordPress. One-click installation, free SSL, everything is included. Everything's in the course. I'm not trying to sell you, but then I'm trying to make your life easier. People think that, Yavar, you're suggesting a lot of things to buy. These are things you can buy and make your life easier. This is why money is. We all want luxury, okay? I don't want that you pay for something and you start struggling with it. For me, I pay for Bloom. Within 1 second, I just upload it, start running. That's it. No headache. I give the money and I get a solution. I don't want some plugin where I install and wait for like ages and then I can't figure out and it's not working. Khalas. So for me, it's really good. Go and check it out. And this course is really good if someone's trying to learn how to create a WordPress website. And even if you know how to do it, this is the correct way. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching the video. I would see you in the next video. Yavar Power or Yavar Khan signing off.